So this is a quick release knot that I often use while I'm canoeing. Things like tying things up as far as things that I need to be quick released, sailing rig, etc. So anyway, this is how it goes. Basically, I make a bight of rope, feed it round whatever I want to tie. This loop comes over the top, and I create another bight of rope, another loop here, and just feed that through. Once that's done, the other loose end goes into another bight of rope and goes into there. So basically you got 2 bights of rope, 3 bights of rope, and then just pull that one tight. Now if I pull that one really tight now, you'll see that it's not going anywhere. But if I want to release it, I just pull that and everything comes undone. This is called a Highwayman's hitch. Thank you very much.